In this video, I will show you how to use Shopsy and earn money. Shopsy is a social commerce shopping app developed by Flipkart. Once you open the app, you will be greeted with all the products that are available. You can click on any product and see how you can start earning by selling them. I have clicked on this product. You see it says we can earn 17 rupees by buying this product at this price. Or you can set your own price and get more profit. You can share the product details such as image, description on WhatsApp. To buy this product, click on Add to Cart and you will see a screen with the details of price. In this place, you can sell the product with the same price, or you can choose a price and get more profit for this product. In this one, I have set the price as 300 rupees. As you can see, my profit is 91 rupees for this product. Then you can proceed to place the order by giving an address and then choosing a payment. You can use UPI or cash on delivery that is available on Shopsy. Shopsy provides a great way to earn money by working at home. For more videos like these, click on the subscribe button and I'll catch you guys in the next one.